Here we are at part 3 of the Hammer-ons and Pull-offs. For this one I'm going to use some open strings, slightly more advanced stuff. Starting off on the second string, first finger, 4th fret. Pick the first note, pull off the second. Just going 1, 4. 1 open, 4 open. Any AC/DC fans will probably recognise this type of riff. It's a little bit easier on an electric guitar if you've got a bit of distortion going on, but it's not impossible on an acoustic, as you can hear. And then you can do some other stuff as well, like this. That's picking every one. The combination of picking and pull-offs. And you can do this on any of the strings, it doesn't matter. You just have to watch out which note you pick, but actually you could play any note that sounds good to you. And as this computer screen goes dark again, let there be light. There we are. Short one this week. See you all next week with a different topic.